Kia ora and welcome back to my cooking channel, Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it's really lovely to see you. Now in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to cook a classic German dish. It's called filled cabbage rolls, or in German we say, depending on the area you're from, Kohlrouladen or Krautrouladen. Typically we would cook this dish in autumn and winter time because that's when the cabbage is in season. And in today's episode I'm gonna show you exactly how my mom used to cook this dish. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. But now let's get right into it. So I've got two plates here. These are my outer leaves, and these are the ones from the inside of the cabbage. And I'm gonna use 2 leaves for each cabbage roll. So this is gonna be the inside, and then I'm gonna wrap it up in the outside, and I'm gonna show you how I do it now. gonna have a look inside. Oh yes, that looks beautiful. Okay, tuck in. It takes me right back to my childhood. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Please like and share with a friend or a family member, and don't forget to subscribe. If you would like to check out more of my German recipes, I will link the playlist to the German dishes here as well. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.